Have you ever had a moment where you questioned your abilities, your decisions, or even your worth? That nagging voice that whispers, "You're not good enough." We've all been there, but what if I told you that self-doubt doesn't have to hold you back? What if it could be transformed into your greatest motivator? Today, we're diving deep into the ways you can overcome self-doubt and unlock the incredible potential that's been hiding within you all along. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have actionable strategies to not only silence your inner critic but to thrive with confidence. Let's get started. 1. Understand the root of self-doubt. Before overcoming self-doubt, it's important to understand where it comes from. Often, self-doubt stems from past experiences, fear of failure, or negative comparisons with others. Think back to moments that triggered your self-doubt. Was it criticism from someone? A failure in the past? By identifying the root cause, you can begin to address it head-on instead of letting it control you. Reflect on your past successes. Write down your achievements, no matter how small they may seem. This creates a tangible reminder of your capabilities and gives you evidence to challenge your doubts. 2. Challenge negative thoughts. Self-doubt thrives on negative thinking. When you catch yourself saying, "I can't do this," or "I'm not good enough," challenge these thoughts. Ask yourself, what evidence do I have that supports this belief? Often, you'll find that self-doubt is based on assumptions rather than facts. Practice positive affirmations. Replace negative thoughts with empowering statements. For example, instead of saying, "I'll never be successful," say, "I am capable of achieving my goals with effort and dedication." 3. Embrace the power of self-compassion. We're often our own harshest critics. Imagine speaking to yourself the way you would to a close friend. Would you tear them down or encourage them? Self-compassion allows you to accept your flaws and mistakes while recognizing your worth. Treat failures as learning opportunities. Instead of seeing setbacks as proof of inadequacy, view them as lessons that contribute to your growth. 4. Take action even if it's imperfect. Self-doubt often paralyzes us into inaction. The key to overcoming it is to take action despite the fear. Start small if necessary, but start somewhere. Each step forward builds confidence and reduces the grip of doubt. Break goals into manageable steps. Big goals can feel overwhelming and feed self-doubt. Divide them into smaller, achievable tasks and celebrate your progress along the way. 5. Surround yourself with supportive people. The people you surround yourself with can significantly impact your self-esteem. Seek out individuals who uplift, inspire, and encourage you. Avoid those who constantly criticize or belittle your efforts. Share your goals. Talking about your dreams with supportive friends or mentors can boost your confidence and provide accountability. 6. Practice gratitude. Gratitude shifts your focus from what you lack to what you have. When you appreciate your strengths, opportunities, and accomplishments, it's easier to see your potential. Daily gratitude journal. Each day, write down 3 things you're grateful for, focusing on your personal growth and achievements. 7. Develop new skills. Sometimes, self-doubt arises from feeling unprepared. By learning and improving your skills, you gain the confidence to tackle challenges. Commit to lifelong learning. Whether it's taking an online course, reading books, or attending workshops, continuous learning helps you feel more capable and confident. 8. Visualize success. Visualization is a powerful tool used by athletes, entrepreneurs, and creatives alike. By vividly imagining yourself succeeding, you program your brain to believe in your potential. Create a vision board. Use images, quotes, and goals to remind yourself of what you're working towards and why you're capable of achieving it. 9. Celebrate progress, not perfection. Perfectionism fuels self-doubt by setting impossible standards. Instead, focus on the progress you're making. Celebrate the effort you put in, even if the outcome isn't perfect. Overcoming self-doubt isn't about completely silencing it. It's about not letting it control you. It's about building the courage to take action, the wisdom to learn from your experiences, and the determination to keep moving forward. Remember, you are more capable than you give yourself credit for, and your potential is limitless. If this video resonated with you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more empowering content. And let us know in the comments what's one step you're taking today to overcome self-doubt. Thank you for watching, and here's to unlocking your potential.